Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you how I make Bagara Bengan or eggplant masala curry. You can serve it with biryani, naan, roti or paratha, however you like. Please keep watching this video step by step till the end how I make it. I post my recipes every Tuesday and Friday. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get all the notifications. To make the Bagara Bengan, you have to have baby eggplant. Here I have taken 5 pieces of eggplant. I have already washed and dried them with kitchen paper towel. Now we have to split them into 4 quarters. Like this. Do not remove the stem. Okay, I have already slitted them. Heat up the pan. Keep it on medium. I am adding 1 teaspoon oil. This is vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil if you want to. Here I have taken half tablespoon peanuts, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1.5 teaspoon sesame seeds, half tablespoon poppy seeds, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 small size roughly chopped onion, roast them 2 to 3 minutes only. Now I am adding 1/4 cup coconut. This is frozen shredded coconut. We are making ground masala paste with onion, green chili and coconut. You can also use fresh coconut or desiccated coconut if you want to. Okay, it's done. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, let's fry the eggplant. Here I have taken some vegetable oil to fry the eggplant. Keep the flame medium to heat up the oil. Now we will marinate the eggplant with salt and turmeric. Sprinkle a little bit water, not too much. Some salt and turmeric. Coat them very well. Fry them both sides evenly. Now turn the other side. Turn them one more time. Almost done. Let me take them out from the pan. Ground masala has cooled completely. Now we will make a fine paste. Add very little water to make the paste. Our ground masala paste is ready and fried eggplant also ready. So let's make the gravy. I am using same pan and same oil. I am adding 1 tablespoon oil only. Let's heat up the oil. It was on medium heat before adding the masala. Keep the flame low to medium. Here I am adding cumin seeds, mustard seeds and nigella seeds. I have taken half teaspoon each seeds. Now I am adding 8 to 10 pieces of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon garlic paste. Saute it for few seconds. Now we add 1/4 cup tomato puree. Now add ground masala paste with onion, coconut and green chili. Adjust the flame when you need. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. Saute it till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is separating. At this point, add half tablespoon tamarind pulp. If you like sweetness, then add little bit jaggery. I am using jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon only. If you have solid jaggery, you can use that. Mix it properly. Make sure it is on low to medium. You can also add kasuri methi if you want to, but I am not adding. Now add some water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Adjust the consistency. Bring it to boil. Now add the fried eggplant. Nice aroma. I love the curry leaves flavor. Now put the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes only on medium heat. It's been 5 minutes. Keep the flame low. I'm adding half teaspoon garam masala powder and 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. Mix it gently. Bagara Bengan is ready. Turn off the flame. Let's dish out. I am garnishing with some curry leaves. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.